Here, have some real beautiful parrot fish. I'm gonna clean these up today. I'm gonna grill in my air fryer. Look at the size of this baby here. Oh my God. It's beautiful. Strawberry parrot fish. Just love these. These fish here are just so wonderful. So delicious. Fry, grill. Taste is just amazing. So this is today's meal. Beautiful strawberry parrot fish. Yes. Clean these up nice. Just want you to see these beautiful strawberry parrot fish. Look at that. Nice size. Okay. These fish eat so good. Steam, fry, grill. Just wonderful. Has a texture similar to the grouper. Real lovely fish. So here, fish is all cut up, seasoned up with my complete seasoned blend that I made. And I cut off the eggs, which I'm saving for another day to make me some nice fish tea. All right. So that's it right there. Fish head for my fish tea. That's going to be another video. Again, like I said here, cut nice steak size. I'm going to air fry these. So here I'm preheating my air fryer. Give it about 2 minutes. Set on for the fish. So give about 2 minutes to get it nice and hot. I'm gonna put my fish in there. So here I place them on my non-stick drip pan. Purpose of this, I want to get the skin a little heat before I put them on the mesh tray because I don't want them to stick to the tray. So this way, once they get some heat and the skin nice and crisp, I'll transfer them to the other tray. So now I transfer the fish onto the grill rack. So I'm just going to finish it up for the 2-3 minutes. So right now, making a quick sauce for the fish. Got about 2 tablespoons of pickled pepper sauce, 1 whole romaine tomato, little onions and pepper and thyme, about 3 ounces of water to add to the sauce. So got my skillet getting hot. The 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add my onions. Nice little small pot of sauce that I'm making. Just gonna caramelize these right quick before I add the tomato. And add my tomatoes in now. Put some heat to that. Put in my garlic and herb seasoning. Put a tablespoon of this. Pickled pepper sauce. Give me the nice spice right there. Just gonna turn it up. Then add my water. Just bring this to a boil, and then I will turn it down and just let it simmer down. So this is nice vinaigrette, pepper sauce, tomato, thyme. Just nice for the fish. This is kind of like a escoviche sauce. Look at that. So here we go. Beautiful strawberry parrot fish. Air fried. Seasoned to my desired taste. Serving with some braised cabbage. Some most flavorful lentil. Please like, subscribe, and share. Most of all, don't forget to treat yourself.